we are going to review finding slope and y-intercepts from graphs and tables. So as I look at this line, it has negative slope. So I'm going to go ahead and write in that negative so that I don't forget it. I'm going to draw in my slope triangle, my change in y. Remember, slope is change in y over change in x. So my change in y is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My change in x is 1, 2, so negative 6 over 2. That simplifies to negative 3. Y-intercept, remember that y-intercept is where a line crosses the y-axis. The y-intercept is where a line crosses the y-axis. So I look at my y-axis and I look for where the line intersects that. So that is a point. My y-intercept is right here, and they've already given me the coordinates of that point. It's the point 0, 4, and what we say is we just say b is 4. We use that y coordinate. So the y-intercept of this line is 4. It is understood. It is the point 0, 4. Okay, from a table, same idea. Slope is always the change in y over the change in x. So you look here and you can use any two y's and any two x's. So if I look down here, I've got a lot of negatives. I can do it. I can say that the change from negative 9 to negative 5, I add 4, but that confuses some people. I see some positives up here, so I'm going to find my slope from these positive numbers. So my change in y, notice that y on a sideways table or a horizontal table is on the bottom. Okay, so these are my y values. So my change in y from 3 to 7, I add 4. And from my change in x from 2 to 3, I add 1. So I added 4 down here. I added 1 for my x's. So a positive 4 over a positive 1, that's going to be positive 4. Now, my y-intercept, remember our y-intercept crosses the y-axis. So it will always have an x-coordinate of 0, and it will have some value. So the clue is looking for this x of 0 in the table. I look right here. I see it. That is the point 0, negative 5. So my y-intercept is negative 5.